In this video, I'll show you how to store your files directly on your computer instead of OneDrive. If you find this useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Sometimes you just want a file saved locally and not synced to the cloud. Here are two easy ways to do it. Method 1. Save a file. Locally, open the file you want to save. For example, I'll open a Word document. Click File in the top left, then select Save a Copy. Choose Browse, and then pick a location on your computer like Documents or Desktop. Click Save, and now this version is stored only on your PC, not on OneDrive. Method 2. Keep OneDrive files on your device. Open File Explorer. In the sidebar, find your OneDrive folder. Right-click it and choose Always Keep on this device. This downloads the files to your computer so you can access them offline. If you want, you can even disable or remove OneDrive later, and the files will still stay on your PC. You can also manually access them by going to This PC, Local Disk, Users, Your Account, OneDrive. And that's it. Now you know how to store files directly on your computer and not just OneDrive.